Says question number 1, if a is equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 0, then which of the statement is not correct? Given 4 statements. So that's why we find the answer is a square. A is equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 0. A square means 0 minus 1, 1, 0. 0 minus 1, 1, 0. That is equal to first row into first column 0 minus 1, and first row into second column 0, second row first column 0. This is minus 1. That is a square. Now a cube means a square into a. That is equal to minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1. This can also be written as minus I into 0 minus 1, 1, 0. That is equal to first row into first column 0, 0. First row second column 1. Second row first column minus 1, 0, 0. That is a power 4 is a cube into a. That is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 0. And a means 0, minus 1, 1, 0. That is equal to 0, 1, 1, minus 0, 0. Minus 1, 0, plus 1. So this is I. This is I. So okay. A square means a into a, that is minus I. A cube means a square into a, that is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 0. And a power 4 is a cube into a. This is I. So from these two, by verification, first answer is the correct one. Question number 2. If a is equal to 1, 2, x, 3 minus 1, 2. This is 2 rows and 3 columns. This is of the order 2 rows 2 by 3. And b is equal to y, x, 1. There are 3 rows into only 1 column, such that AB is equal to 2 rows into 1 column. Now we want to find 3 minus 1, 2 into y, x, 1. Now we get 2 by 1 matrices. 2 by 1 matrices. So that is equal to first row into first column y plus 2x plus x, and the second row and first column 3y minus x plus 2. That is given AB is 6 and 8. 2 by 1. This is also 2 rows and 1 is equal to y plus 3x and 3y minus x plus 2. Now comparing first row, here also first row is y plus 3x is equal to 6, and here we comparing 3y. This is equation number 1. 3y minus x is equal to plus 2 is equal to 8. This is the second equation. Then we solve these two equations, we get the values of x and y. So that's why first equation is taking same, and the second equation 2 into 3, that implies 9y minus 3x. This is taken into 6. 6 into 3, 18. And then this is y plus 3x is equal to 6. So adding 10y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 6 by 5. That is the value of y. And then taking the value y is equal to 6 by 5 on 1, from 1 y is equal to y plus 3, adding these two, 10y is equal to 24, 24, 12 by 5, from 1 y means 12 by 5 plus 3x is equal to 6. 3x is equal to 6 minus 12 by 5. Taking 30 minus 12 means 18 by 5. That is 3x. Now x is equal to 6 by 5. Therefore, the given option is from 3 and 4 we write y is equal to 12 by 5. That can be written as 2 into 6 by 5. Y is equal to 2 into x. This is the required solution. Question number 3. If P, Q, R are three real numbers satisfying the matrix equation, matrix P, Q, R into matrix 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3 is equal to matrix 3, 0, 1. Then 2P plus Q minus R is equals to. So that means first of all we find the values of P, Q and R. So here we will take it as first row into first column, that is 3P plus 3, 4P, second row into first row into second column, 4P plus 2Q. Next P plus 3Q plus 2R is equal to 3, 0, 1. Now we comparing, taking the first element, that is 3P plus 3Q plus 2R is equal to 3, and 4P plus 2Q is equal to 0. And this is 2P plus Q is equal to 0. And this one, P plus 3Q plus 2R is equal to 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Solve 1 minus 2. That is 3P plus 3Q plus 2R is equal to 3. And P plus 3Q plus 2R is equal to 1. Subtraction, both are cancelled. This is 2P plus this is also cancelled. Subtraction this is also cancelled. This is 2. That implies P is equal to 1. When P is equal to 1 on 2, that implies 2 plus Q is equal to 0. Q is equal to minus 2. And then P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to minus 2 on 3. So substituting here, that is 1 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2R is equal to 1. 1 cancelled. 2R is equal to 6. R is equal to 3. Now 2P are cancelled, minus 3 is the answer.